What's up guys, it's Travis with Lane Shark. Check this out. So, after long await, the Hammerhead is finally here. We are going to start shipping these July 1st. So we just want to do a quick walkthrough and show, obviously, this is an all new design that we've come up with and it's only available in the 4-foot model. But basically half the magic is all right here. So we've got this control box that controls all of the movements in the motor circuit. We have an all new control box that goes inside the tractor. And basically what you see here is all included in the purchase of the actual Hammerhead. And it does come with the control box. You still have to buy the install kit separately, but they all come with the control box because they have to no matter what. There's no other way to control this without that box. So that box that goes in the tractor controls all of this. We've got everything labeled. We've got a diagram of how everything works in case it needs to be troubleshot, in case you need to troubleshoot it. So we've got all that there. We've got the hose wrap, spiral wrap on all the hoses to protect it. We've got our pivot points here, pivot point here, and back here. That allows it to articulate into all the different positions. So the greatest thing about this is you never have to leave your tractor whenever you want to change positions. I know a lot of times when I'm cutting, I'll be in the vertical, something will fall and I cannot cut it no matter what I try. So now you just hit a button, drop this down, cut it, bring it back up, and carry on down the road. So you never have to leave your AC. I know a lot of you are going to be excited about that. So yeah, thanks for your patience, and this is it.